Hey guys, hope you're having a great day, and I'm glad to be back. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but there's been so many changes happening lately, and I wanted to kind of give my input and also make everything that's happening a little easier to understand for the new folks. And I wanted to focus on the new stablecoin that Ripple created. It's actually going to come out tomorrow on Tuesday, December 17. So that stablecoin, as some of you might already know, is called the RLUSD, which is the Ripple USD stablecoin. What is a stablecoin? How does it work with XRP? We'll go into that in this video. The XRP price right now is $2.49. And, if you just look at the past year, it's been up more than 300%, which is incredible, right? So hopefully you guys got a chance to buy when it was at 50 cents. As you can see, it was at 50 cents for so long, right? For many years, maybe 3 years. I would say longer than that too, because you can see here 2018, 2019, it was at 20 cents. But all right, let's get into the video topic. What is this new Ripple stablecoin? Ripple USD, also called RLUSD, right? And just to describe it simply, you have to kind of understand what a stable coin is, right? So in simple words, you want to think about digital money, right? If you have physical money in your hands, how do you make that digital? Or you could get something called a stable coin, right? And a stable coin is linked to actual money. So in other words, if you mint one stable coin, right, or in this case one RLUSD, then that means that in the physical world you have $1 US, right? So just a simple way to put it. So if you have 100 RLUSD stablecoins, then that means in the physical world, in this world, you should have 100 US dollars or cash equivalents. And Ripple goes into that in their white paper, which I will show you. But when you think of stablecoin, just think about digital money, right? If you have $1 US, you have one stablecoin. In this case, the Ripple USD stablecoin. Now, this stablecoin runs on the XRP ledger, right? And also on Ethereum as well. So it uses the network, something very important to keep in mind. And you'll notice here that I have highlighted the word stable in purple and the word coin in red. And I did this on purpose, right? Why? Well, the next question, as you can see here, is going to be, why did Ripple create it? Why did they create a stablecoin? What about XRP? We already have XRP. It's not a stablecoin. It's actually different. But the whole purpose of creating this stablecoin is to the easiest way to explain this is think of the word stable, right? It's 1-to-1. You have $1 US in the physical world, and you got one digital money, which in this case will be the RLUSD, right? And this gives people confidence. It gives businesses confidence. If I buy this digital money, I know it's not going to go down to 50 cents. It's going to stay at exactly what I bought it for. I bought $20 of RLUSD, the stablecoin, and if I were to sell it in 10 days, it should be still, I should get the same amount, $20. It shouldn't go down. It shouldn't fluctuate. So that's the whole reason Ripple created a stablecoin, right? So that way although businesses using the Ripple network or the XRP ledger will have the confidence that their money is safe, right? And if you go to their white paper, this is their white paper right here, as you can see. The stablecoin for the internet value. I highlighted some key points, and they mentioned this a couple times. They say RLUSD, built with a focus on regulatory compliance, brings it with opportunity for customers and users to benefit from the stability, right? So again, when something is stable, it's going to build confidence, and now people are going to get to use your network, right? The XRP ledger. Now, and they mentioned this a couple times. RLUSD is backed 1-to-1 by US dollar or permitted cash equivalents, and they give a beautiful explanation here. It's a very quick, very short. They say RLUSD brings together the stability of the USD with efficiency and transparency of blockchain technology in a compliant manner, which is another key point, right? Because some of the stable coins are not compliant. So then if you have a multi-million-dollar business, they don't want to get sued. They don't want to get in trouble. So they need a stable coin that is also working with the system, right? Working with the regular, those organizations that regulate all of those things. So again, the one keyword you want to remember is confidence. It gives the businesses confidence to start using the XRP ledger network. And then it continues here saying, addressing the vital need for a trustworthy, liquid, and regulated stablecoin. And that's the whole point of this stablecoin, right? So going back to this, they created to give their business partners the confidence to start using the XRP ledger network. Now, so what's the difference between XRP and this Ripple stablecoin or Ripple USD stablecoin? Well, remember that XRP, the whole purpose is to send value across borders, right, internationally. So, in other words, you guys might remember this image right here. You have XRP in the middle, right? All these different banks, they could just convert the money to XRP, and then from XRP they go to any other currency in the world, right? I think there's over 180 or something. This is what XRP does, right? With a stablecoin, you cannot really do it this way. The whole point of a stablecoin is if you have one physical US dollar, then you have one digital US dollar as a stablecoin. That's the whole purpose. But then once you buy that stablecoin, it'll go through the network, it'll use XRP, and it'll spit it back out as whatever currency you need. So if you're sending money from the US to Japan, then you're going to need some Japanese currency. You're going to send from, let's say, to the US to Mexico, you're going to need some pesos. So it goes from XRP to pesos. So that's the point of XRP. Way different than the stable coin, right? Just has a different purpose. So just to kind of make it brief, maybe some of you are thinking, hey, is this going to replace XRP? And the answer to that is a big fat no. It's not going to replace it. If anything, it's going to complement the XRP. It's going to complement XRP, right? You could think of a knife and a fork. With obviously when you're eating, let's say, a piece of steak, or if some of you don't eat steak, piece of chicken, whatever. If you're vegetarian, sorry, but just for the example, you use the knife to cut the meat, and then you use the fork to, poke it, pick it up, and put it in your mouth. You don't really use the knife to poke it and put it in your mouth, right? You only use it for the purpose of cutting. So they do complement each other. So the scenario will be this business will buy the Ripple USD stablecoin, which has all the compliance. I think it has some monthly audits, so they have all the confidence they need that this is going to be worth whatever they put into it now. Tomorrow is going to be worth the same because it's just 1-to-1. And then it goes through the XRP ledger network, and it comes out whatever currency they want on the other side, right? So they just kind of work together. Of course, if you want to know a little more about what XRP is and have a little more understanding, you could go to my YouTube channel, search for this video. It's called Explaining XRP Using Only Images. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It's very simple. I know it's from 3 years ago, but I'll give you a very simple explanation of what XRP is. And I have a bunch of other videos you could look into as well. I'll recommend this one as well. Now that XRP is getting to higher prices, you might want to stay away from XRP scams, and they happen all the time, right? People lose their XRP. So yeah, check out my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of videos, and I hope this explains in a more simple way what the stablecoin is and what XRP is going to be used for, and how they both complement each other and they work together. And again, if you want to remember just one thing about this video, is that this new stablecoin gives the confidence to businesses to start using the XRP ledger network, right? But thank you so much for watching this video. It's great to be back. I'll try to put a couple more other videos. I have other ideas, questions that people have, and yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe.